I'm finishing up here setting down my half-sliced bell peppers. All right, now we're gonna grab some shredded beef, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take a little bit of that beef and we're gonna stuff it right inside the bell pepper. Yes, you guys are gonna love this easy dinner. Oh my goodness, and this shaved beef, oh, it smells so good. Now I didn't season the beef. I just sauteed it on the stove. If you guys season your shredded beef here with anything, please tell us in the comments. I'd be curious to know what is the best with this shaved beef. Okay, so that looks good. Might add a little bit more there, perfect. In case you were wondering, this is exactly what I went with right there. I don't know if you have that around by you or what you choose. Anything will do. Okay, you guys, now we're gonna come in with some sauteed onions. Oh, those look so good, and we're gonna put those right on top. I did just saute them a little bit because I wanted them to be cooked perfectly once I place this in the oven, you guys. Holy cow, what a great twist. And you know what I'm thinking? This is gonna be really great for any of those keto people out there or people that are watching your carbs or don't like to eat a lot of gluten. This is perfect for you. So we have a gluten-free, carb-free dinner, easy, coming right up. Of course, some mushrooms to top that off with, you guys. If you don't like mushrooms, hey, guess what? Leave them out. Or you know what you can do is, because these are kind of like your own little individual little dinners here, you can go ahead and just put use a couple with mushrooms, a couple without mushrooms. You know, if your whole family hates them, well then whatever. But if you're in my family, then let me tell you what, we all love mushrooms around here. And not to mention, do you know how many health benefits that mushrooms have? A ton of health benefits. So eat your mushrooms. All right, now we have some sliced provolone cheese, you guys. So, you know, we are making some stuffed Philly cheesesteak peppers. Oof, my mouth is watering just saying it. So watch what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna place an entire slice of this provolone right on top of the bell pepper, and when that melts, ooh, it's gonna go all inside and around that bell pepper, you guys. It's gonna be amazing, amazing. We're gonna cook it until that green pepper is just a little bit done there. We want a little bit, I don't know, could do it as you wish. You know, do you want a soggy bell pepper or do you want a crispy, crunchy one? I don't know, you choose. I'm gonna choose to pop it in the oven at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. That seems to be perfect for me. So stick around and see how it turns out. Maybe it'll be perfect for you too. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about, you guys. Check those out. Those Philly cheesesteak stuffed green peppers look amazing. Oh my goodness, it smells even better. The cheese, look at that. It just melted in with the mushroom. Oh, a little crispiness there on the outside. All right, you guys, look at that pepper. Oh, that looks so good. I'm gonna place it right over here on my plate. It's a little bit hot, but you know what? I just wanna cut right in. Now, you know what I said? I said 20 minutes, right, for the bell pepper. So let's cut right in. Let's see how this is done. Oh, it looks so good here. Check this out. I'm gonna open that right up, you guys. Look at that. Look at that stuffed pepper. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. All right, you know what? I know David's mouth is over there watering, so I'm gonna let you, babe, come over here and scarf one of these down. Remember, gluten-free, keto-friendly, super easy, and let's see if it's as tasty. I don't know. We'll have a man be the judge of the Philly stuffed pepper. All right, it might be a little hot. Ooh, that is so good, huh? Mm-hmm. Yes. The bell pepper has just a little bit of crunch. So if that's what you're going for, 350, about 25 minutes, 20 minutes, that'll do the trick. He loves it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if there's anything you would switch up. I think this is a home run for sure. I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you later.